Hey everybody, John here over at Byrider Green Bay. Just jumping on making another quick video, this one about summer vacation. It's coming up. It's pretty common for everyone to pile in the vehicle and go somewhere to do something. I know my family, we did it every year. If you're looking to do something similar to that this summer, always a good idea to get your vehicle checked out before you do. Make sure your oil is good. Here in Green Bay, we go through Auto Select on Oneida Street. If you're looking to get your oil changed, which you should do about every 3,000 miles, every 3 months, whatever comes first, go ahead and give them a call. Or if you have any other service issues, you can give us a call here at our store in that Green Bay location. Something you can check yourself to make sure your vehicle is all ready to go for the summer. Check like your windshield washer fluid, make sure that's topped off. That way when you're driving down the road, you can wipe all those pesky bugs away. But other than that, if you have any questions, give us a call. Number here is 920-455-7788, or just stop in and visit us here at 2805 Vermont Way, Green Bay, Wisconsin. We're looking forward to working with you guys and hope you have a really great summer. Talk soon.